Hi everybody. I just thought I'd come online and do or share with you my experience that I had when I was out in nature yesterday morning. And in writing this poem that just came through me as nature spoke to me, I just found recently that when I spoke about it, the energy came through the words as well. So if you'd like to have an experience of a nature transmission, and to feel it in your body, to connect with earth energy, I invite you to just take a couple of minutes as I guide you through this, and may it create something wonderful for you in your day. So just allowing you to start to become aware of your body. So you have a body, just becoming aware. Where is your head, shoulders, legs, and your feet? Whole body awareness. Just coming back to your body, your beautiful body. Sensing the surface underneath you, supporting you. And sensing your breathing, the body breathing, chest rising and falling. Coming back home to the body. This is the way we experience nature. Not in the mind, but in the body. And let the journey begin. As I sit in nature's still breeze, it appears asleep with no movement of life. Quietness prevails. However, perhaps it is me, the one asleep. Below my feet, nature and earth pulsate, moving silently with ripples of telluric energy. It is vibrant and it is alive. As I tune into this energy, it awakens me from my slumber of mental distraction and disconnection. I bring down my barriers, letting go of seeing with my thinking mind, and open to a pure sensory delight. My body tingles and I sense an openness unfold around me. A subtle opening into a dimension that exists as pure sensory experience. A way of being that no thinking could ever achieve. The sparkling leaves twinkle down at me as the sun throws rainbows of light in all directions. The breeze intimately caresses my skin, its coolness reawakening the innate aliveness that is within me. The sweet chirping of birds transmits high notes of delight as I sense their delicate vibrations passing through me, recalibrating me to that lightness, that pureness, that deliciousness of being. I melt and merge into Mother Nature's embrace. I am one with her and her with I. There is a deep sense of peace, a wholeness, a coming back home, a belonging fulfilled. In this space, my soul's energy flows into my human body. My heart opens and I expand into radiant light. Calmness deepens. Timelessness prevails. Mother Nature comes alive within.